Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video we're going to learn how we can create an AI phone agent that will be working as a waiter for our restaurant and will pick up orders on our behalf. So it will be really smart agent that will understand the menu that we have and will ask the user different types regarding is it delivery, is it pickup order, and what he wants to order. So here I have a restaurant, demo restaurant, with different kinds of salads, pizzas, lasagnas, and so on. And each of these items has extras. They have description, price. It's getting complicated with the pizzas, so we can have small, different kind of sizes. And all of this needs to be understandable by the AI agent and needs to explain to the user really ask what kind of pizza they want or what kind of item they want, and not offer something that doesn't exist inside the system, inside the menu. So to do that, we're going to use Bland.ai, which is a phone AI agent creator. And yeah, I found it really useful. So yeah, let's start and see how it will work. First, create an account in Bland.ai, and there go in conversational pathways. There we'll need to create a new pathway. I already have the order and reserve, so it's a bit complicated one. I will just start from scratch, and we'll see how that will work. So the first thing to do is to greet the user. Hi there, how are you today? And call new note. Okay, let's see what's happening here. So in Bland.ai, there is clicking on add new note gives you the possibility to add new notes, but in general, all they have is one note that can be configured to do different things. And the default note, in fact, is end call, webhook, and transfer pathway and things like that. So let's get started and remove all of this because we know the pathway to take. Here in this node, we were able to select first. We can select the node type, which is default, large text, transfer call, as I said, end call, webhook, wait for response, knowledge base, transfer pathway, or custom tool. At the moment, its default is okay. The name of this node is start, and this is a text that the AI agent will speak to our user, and this is how they will start the conversation. So there, hi there, how are you doing today? What we're going to ask or say will be, hi there, this is Anna from the pizza restaurant. And this can be a static text, meaning it will say exactly this text. It will say exactly this text, or if we disable this, it will use AI to give similar text to this one. So what we can do is there, right there, but the AI will work on different versions of this text. But for me, the static one is okay. So for now, it's okay, and let's start directly with the order. Hi there, this is Anna from the pizza restaurant. Okay, let's get your order. Please tell me, is it, tell me your name, and how do I call if it will be a pickup or delivery, and will it be a pickup or delivery. Okay, so this is what our agent will speak. And when the user answers this note, we need to extract call into variables. So we'll need to do that. But let's first say what's our loop condition. So don't go further if we don't have name. Okay, you need to surely have the user. Okay, sounds good. You need to have the username and the pickup and the order type. Great. So it will not move on to the next node until we are sure that we have the username and the order type. So these are the variables that we are going to extract. And so the first one is username. It will be a string, and extract the user. And the one is order type. For order type, what we can do is use it something like is delivery and turn into a boolean. And know that you are speaking with AI here, so you can be descriptive about what you want to extract or what you want to how you want to this variable to turn into a into a true or false. Determine is the order delivery. Okay, and add a new variable which is also a boolean, and determine if the order is pickup order. Okay, if the order is delivery, if the order is pickup order. Sounds good for me. Fine-tune examples. For now we don't need it. Okay, click save, and now we have I'll just delete this one. So we have the initial node, and this is probably the most important one. So let's add now a new node. Also, we'll go to the default one, and we will connect with user responded, and also a new node like this. So this node will be activated when the order is pickup order. Pickup order, just click save, and delivery order. It's really important to have descriptive names because it's also sent to AI. So we'll need to connect this one also. And what we're going to do is advanced settings and value comparison. So we need to copy the value here that we extracted. Is delivery. So this is the delivery one. Okay. Let's see what. Okay. Let's start like this. So we are clear on step by step. User responded, but we need to check if it's delivery. Is delivery is true. Okay, so when it's delivery, we are going to the delivery node, and we will now add the new edge, which is the other variable, which is pickup. And now we can branch the call into two ways. So in pickup order, what we want to ask the user, great, please tell me the pickup the expected pickup time. And what we want to do here is extract this pickup time. Order time, it will be a string. And with this, I think we are done. For delivery order, we need to ask what is the address. Address and desired delivery time. Great, and now we need to extract two variables here. One is the order time. See how I can use the same variable, also a string. And this will be the address, also string. Perfect. And now we need a loop condition here. User needs to provide his address and the time. Similar is for the other one, for the pickup order, the loop condition. So don't go further if to provide time. Okay, perfect. So we are now sure that when the call branches into one node, we will have the pickup time and the delivery time put into same variable. So now both of them will continue to the ordering process. So in that case, we will add a new node, default now once again, and I will call it AI ordering from our menu. Perfect. Now, instead of default, just click save. Instead of default, I think we can use large text. And this is a plain text. You see how many characters we have, 30,000 characters. We can put as a context to this process. So in this node, we will give the text representation of our menu to the LLM, and the LLM should be smart enough to ask the correct questions to the user and ask them about his order. So we already have his name, the order type, the pickup or delivery time, and now we need to extract the order from this user. So let's see how that will be done. First, we cannot stay with static text because that will not work for us anymore. And in this plain text, we need to give him the actual menu. Our menu was here. So what we can do is copy all the text, but this will be a time-consuming job. So if the menu has an API endpoint, that will be great. In our case, our system has an API endpoint, and I will be able to get the data like this. So you see, I have the different items, and we have the ID, name, description, image, category, index, and things like that. But this is not a suitable export for the, for the LLM. since we have a lot of unneeded data like the image, the LLM will not do anything with it, or category index doesn't mean anything for the LLM, and this deleted that, or don't know, some of this content is really just not needed, like the image, and will be a good idea to remove all of them, and some kind organize the, you see right now we're exporting all the items into one call, so it will be problematic for the LLM to understand. So that's why I have created another endpoint where the response from the API is really better. I'm giving just what it's needed. So the name, description, the price, the category, is it available, the extras. Then if we go down for the pizzas, you see I have also the variants, and I can copy this and put into my LLM here as a context to the LLM. But this is also not a good structure, because what we are looking for is to, let me see, to minimize the content. What we are going to JSON minify, and I can just put my content there and minify it. Great. Now what we can say is, this is our menu. Please note that there are extras and some items may have variants. If so, ask what kind of they need. Perfect, and I can just enter my menu. Also remove something that is not necessary. And as you can see, we use 13,000 characters from the 30,000 availability characters. So right now, what we need here is to describe the action, or what will be the goal of this module here, of this node. So to do that, we will say that please take the user order. Okay, this is for the loop condition. You need to ensure that the user has finished his order, and confirm it that it is, and confirm that it's okay. Only then it will move to the node that is after that. Please take the user order, ask him about the different options we have, the different, what do you call, items we have, or things like that. And so yeah, I'm not sure how it will work, but I think we are on a good path here. And extract call into variables. So what we can do is just do this user order, and the type will be string. So what we'll have in this variable is the actual user order. Let's move on. Can go here and here. So just user responded is enough. when user responded, and when this loop condition is satisfied, we will move to the next node, and this is our next node. So the AI for the phone agent will start asking our user questions regarding his order. When his order is finished, what we need to do now is send this order to our endpoint. So let's do that, and we have this webhook node, and I can use it. So when user responded, we can make an API call with these variables to our endpoint. So this will be a fully working system. In this demo, what we are going to use is just a proof of concept. We'll create a new webhook. And we will copy this webhook, extract call into variables. We already have done that. Put the link here, just click save. Please select the default node to path after webhook's completion. Okay, so what we need after a webhook node is a default node that will happen if there is a problem with the execution of the node or things like that. So let's add a new node here and call node, and for just this example is pretty much okay. Or probably we need to connect another way, new and call node. I will just call it and call node, click save, and this is one required field here, advanced option. So we need to extract the response data, and let's say our API responded with status. Data.status. But what I can do here is just say it is always 1. Okay, it's always 1. Status is or equals 1, then select node and call node. Great. So we were able to save our webhook. So this is something that is required, or to have at least one edge attached to this node. So let's see what we are doing here. We're going to do a get, in this case post request to this webhook, and let's do a body here, and the body should be like this. So name should be a string. Let's zoom in. Then we have time. This should also be a string. Then I have the order, which also is a string, and is is delivery. We can also convert it into a string, and is pickup. So we have all the values needed. We now just need to fill them. Just click save here. Okay, when I zoom out, I'm able to see the variables. So these variables are from Bland variables, so we know the actual time, what is the phone call, what is the phone number, from and the phone number too. Last message from the user, and these are our variables here. So user order, the order is user order, and we can access it like this, user order. Then we have user name, and I think it was order time. Let me check, just to click save. Order time, and is pickup and is delivery. Okay. We need it in our brackets. And same, sorry, is okay. I think we are done with this, and there is also an option here to say something when the webhook is executing. Send speech during webhook. Give me a sec. Okay, and click save. Perfect. Your order. That's all for now. And click save. So let's go over it once again, what's happening. So we are starting the call. Hi there, this is Anna from the pizza restaurant. Let me get your order. Please tell me your name, pickup or delivery. After this is answered, we can branch into different ways. We can ask for the order address. Did we get the address? No. So it is at the address. So we need to send that also. It's also a string. And with this, we are okay. Perfect. Click save. This is the most important one. We are asking the user, please take the user order, ask him about the different items, and you may suggest items. Okay. This is our menu. Please note that there are extras. The loop condition is also really important. You need to ensure that the user has finished his order and confirm that it's okay. Advanced options. Let's see what we have there. You can improve this. The AI, work directly with it. Extract the order into variables, so everything will be into user order. And then we will send this data to our webhook. Yeah, so far this looks okay. The only thing to do left is to test it. So let's see how we can do that. So I can click save. So now the pathway is saved. And let's click on promote to production. Okay, or just send a call. So we can send a call. I already have a configuration done. So this is my number, and I can use version 2 because this is the one that we are working on right now. You can select different voices. For now, this is okay. Select time zone. We need to let the system know in what time zone it's the actual call. But what we also, this is also important if, for example, we are doing a reservation and we need to check if the opening time or the working time for the restaurant is okay. For now, we'll not do that. Hang up, and yeah, this so far looks okay. And send a call. So I will receive the call on this phone, and yeah, we'll see how it will look, how it will work. Send call. And directly a pathway lock opens, so we can see the variables. So you can see that now I'm receiving a real phone call from United Kingdom, which is the Bland.ai, and I will answer it and put it on speaker.
This is Anna from the pizza restaurant. Okay, let's get your order.
Hi, my name is Daniel, and I want my order delivered.
Great. Please tell me your address and desired delivery time.
My address is Shishenska Cesta, 12.
We've got your address, Daniel. Shishenska Cesta 12. Now let's move on to your order. We have a variety of items on our menu, including salads, pizzas, fresh pasta, and lasagna. What kind of dish are you in the mood for today? Would you like to try one of our specialty pizzas, such as the margherita pizza or the quattro formaggi pizza, or perhaps something from our salad selection, like the caprese salad or the Greek salad?
Okay, how much is the caprese salad?
I think you meant caprese salad. The caprese salad is priced at $9.99. It's a delicious combination of peeled tomatoes, mozzarella salad, and Genovese pesto. Would you like to add any extras to your salad, such as extra cheese, olives, or tuna? And would you like to order anything else with your salad, perhaps a pizza or a pasta dish? We have some great deals on our pizzas, like the mozzarella pizza or the pepperoni pizza.
Okay, I will order the caprese salad with extra cheese, and I will also like to order, let me see, I like to order, as you mentioned, mozzarella pizza.
So to confirm, you'd like to order the caprese salad with extra cheese, which will be $9.99 for the salad, and an additional $1.20 for the extra cheese, making it a total of $11.19. And you'd also like to order the mozzarella pizza. We have several variants of the mozzarella pizza, including small, medium, and large sizes, as well as different crust types, such as hand-tossed, thin crust, and double-decker. Which size and crust type would you prefer? And would you like to add any extras to your pizza, such as olives, mushrooms, or pepperoni?
Okay, I want to order large and thin crust pizza, and please add mushrooms on it. I want 2 pizzas like this one.
So to confirm, you'd like to order 2 large thin crust mozzarella pizzas with mushrooms. The price for 1 large thin crust mozzarella pizza is $17.49, and with the addition of mushrooms, it will be an extra $0.50, making it $17.99 per pizza. So for 2 pizzas, the total will be $35.98. I'll just recap your entire order to make sure everything is correct. You've ordered the caprese salad with extra cheese for $11.19 and 2 large thin crust mozzarella pizzas with mushrooms for $35.98. Your total comes out to be $47.17. We'll get your order delivered to you at Shishenska Cesta 12 as soon as possible. Would you like to pay with card or cash upon delivery?
I will pay with cash.
Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Give me a sec.
Okay, so this was almost perfect. Let's see where our problem is. So pretty much everything worked perfectly. We can also work something on the AI part here to make it a bit more, more simpler. Not that we do not go into those that many explanations, but now let's see why the webhook didn't work. So let's say webhook response, data status, it's always name Daniel, time 12, Shishenska cesta, caprese salad with texture cheese and too large with mushrooms, is delivered true. Okay, so probably something with the response, but it's also said that our JSON is not correct. Daniel 12 address. Yeah, we have this extra one, but after removing that one, it should work as expected. So let me remove that webhook, and we don't need this one. So this is the only reason it didn't work. So what I also notice is that we are not asking for get please the address and desired delivery time. It would continue without the time, so you need to provide his address and time. User needs to provide to move on. So maybe we need some more explanation here that don't go further if we don't have the actual time of the order. Or maybe the AI made a mistake by me later on telling the apartment number. But in general, I'm really satisfied with what has been done. You get the idea of on how easy you can make a AI phone agent for order taking, and it's goes really deep into understanding the menu, and with more prompting you will be able to do a really powerful AI phone ordering agent. You can connect this agent to a real phone number, so when the end clients call the restaurant, this one can pick up the order and send to the system. We're already working on such a system, so please look into my portfolio if you want already made system like this one. And hope you learn how you can create these type of agents, and hope this video is really helpful to you. Have a great day and speak to you soon. Bye bye.